At CDG Inspection, we lead the way in delivering precise and reliable testing solutions to ensure product durability and performance. Our ASTM G85 testing services simulate harsh environments to evaluate the corrosion resistance of materials and coatings. ASTM G85 is a globally recognized standard for testing corrosion resistance. We replicate real-world conditions to measure how your products withstand the toughest environments. Our expertise includes Annex A3 for acetic acid salt spray and Annex A4 for sulfur dioxide cycling. From automotive to aerospace, electronics to marine, we serve industries that demand the best. Our cutting-edge equipment ensures accuracy and compliance with ASTM standards. Testing with us helps enhance durability, refine product design, and achieve regulatory compliance. We test metals, alloys, coatings, and composite materials for their corrosion resistance in extreme conditions. Receive trusted certification that confirms your product's performance under ASTM standards. Clients choose us for our expertise, global reach, and commitment to excellence. From inquiry to results, our process is simple, transparent, and tailored to your needs. We are committed to environmentally responsible testing processes. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry and learn how we can meet your testing needs. CDG Inspection, your partner in quality assurance and performance testing.